everyone, welcome back. We're doing the Tippy Bird series today. I'm joined with Nicole, our remedial massage therapist. Now these are going to be difficult, so do it at your own pace, concentrate. Let's come on to the right leg first. You want to pull your left leg back, switch your glutes on, and you're going to hinge on that right hip. Nice and steady. Bend your right knee if your hammies are tight, that helps with balance, and then carefully hinge back up. Don't lose that connection on that left side, hinge. Try and keep your shoulders and your hips as square as you can to the floor. Spread your toes for balance. And return. You can reach one arm forward if you like to balance out that back leg. Almost there. Keep that back leg lifted up and break. So we're going to go Tippy Bird with arm reaches. Where your arms just reach forward and back. Make sure you hit that horizontal line first. Let's prepare. Hinge. And reach 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and return. So it's a lot of work and a lot of load through that right foot, leg, hip chain. Reach. 3, 2, 1. I can really feel it through my right hip and foot. Let's go. 3. Struggle time. Again, last one. Reach. We're going into the shoulder flies. So again, you have to hold it. We're using toning balls, but you can use a TheraBand underneath your right foot, okay? And let's get into it, nice and tall. Drop your arms, row. 1, 2, 3, and return. So you want to pull those elbows back, again. Row. Hard work. Oh, my right foot's suffering, so I'm going to change legs. Let's go. It is hard. Come on. It's one of those exercises I cannot talk and do at the same time, so I hope you're doing better than me. You can drop those balls. We're going into the knee bend, so it's a single leg squat. Okay? Normally, you do on one side and the other, alternate if you need to. My right foot's working hard, my arches work hard. Into horizontal plane, bend. 1, 2, 3. Stand up nice and tall. Again. Bend. 1, 2, 3. Really making sure that your right knee isn't turned inwards towards that medial line, okay? Let's go. Almost there. Oh, that one's hard, that one. My foot, whew. Let's see if we can get one more out. Come on. Oh, you can feel my leg dropping. The last one's a hamstring curl. I'm going to have to change feet. My right foot's suffering too much. Ready? Bend it down low. And bend your back knee. 3, 2, 1. And return. Whew. How you going, Nicole?
Yeah, good. I had to swap legs as well.
Yeah. Bend. 3. Stay long through your spine, top of the head to your toe. Again. Keep that right thigh up. 2, 1. Can we get one more out? Let's go. I'm sweating. I'm going to say I barely survived that one. How do I don't know about
It's very
you.
challenging.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that challenge. Let
Good
us know
luck.
how you feel and if you survived as well. Bye.